My dear students, as you know that every new year reminds us that time is not static. Time passes silently. It never stops. As it is said that time and tide waits for none. Dear students, wake up from sound slumber of procrastination and carelessness. You are the architect of the nation and you are the future of the world. On the occasion of New Year, I will insist each and every one of you to set New Year resolution. Setting New Year resolutions will revive and renew you into a better student. I have remained student and have came across through your phase of life. Time is the greatest weapon in your hands. If you will make good use of your time, it will transmute you into gold. It's the very time that matters more than anything else in life. Realization of the importance of time would not strike your minds now because you are the surrounded and indulge in many activities that sounds beneficial to you. Actually, these wanton activities of yours will not avail you in future. Time is a healer and teacher. Now or then, it will teach you a lesson which neither any teacher nor any book would have taught you so far. So, my dear students, do not murder your time mercilessly. Stop running behind the unnecessary things and get rid of all useless activities and equip yourself with the productive use of time. Persistence and regularity at work is key to success. If you desire to be successful, value your time and be complete your tasks within stipulated time. It's very necessary for a student to set new year resolution because new year resolution is nothing but a way to improve and enhance oneself. Without a solid and sound resolution, you would not be able to accomplish your goals. Shun all negative moves of your past and start a new journey with firm faith and determination. Whatever you desire and aspire to attain will fall in your laps. In the end, I will suggest you that this year, instead of setting yourself for disappointment with vague goals, try setting structured and traceable SMART goals. Your goals must be realistic, attainable, specific, and achievable. Thank you.